Hey, Smart Woodshop fam, I want to show you something. This right here. No, not the Hedgehog push stick. I'm Ron Talkin. This is my Smart Woodshop. If you'd like to get a detailed set of plans to build a smart bench, a smart station, any of the accessories that work with the smart system, or the Smart Woodshop itself, there's a link in the description of this video down below. I have been chasing after mounting my push stick on the side of the fence so that it's where I need it, when I need it. I got the compact table saw from SawStop, and they actually had this mount and this mount to hold their push stick. You know, one of those long push sticks with a handle and look. So common with almost every table saw. I hate them, but it's where I need it. And so I use that more than anything else. A couple of months ago, I discovered Hedgehog. This is my favorite push stick ever. And I have made push sticks, push blocks. I've shown you how to make them. And in fact, while we're talking Hedgehog, same with their feather boards. All the feather boards I've bought and made over the years just don't hold a candle to this. Now I have the push stick I want to use, but it's not where I want it. I want my push stick on the fence so that as I'm working, it's there to grab and it stays there even if I move the fence. I mentioned in a previous video that I was excited that the clip, the one clip that is already on the fence with the CTS, I was just sticking it in there. I didn't have to do any mods. Probably about 20% of the time it was falling off, particularly when I'd roll the fence way out of here to get it out of the way because I was going to use the crosscut sled. And no big deal, but it falls on the floor. I got to pick it up and I want it there ready to use. I wish I had another clip where I could double it up. I went out to the Smart Woodshop. I keep some inventory out there, and I was digging through the hardware store drawer and not coming up with anything. And then I went into the electrical drawer and I found these straps. Of course, it's too bent over to actually work in this situation. So I just put it in the vise and took a pair of pliers and I bent it up straight. And then I kind of played with it and bent it until I got it so that it would actually trap. So you have to actually push in it. I could bend it out and it would just be a saddle to drop in, but I wanted to just sort of pinch it. So I played around with it. And then I just grabbed out one of these self-tapping Phillips head screws. And as far as figuring out where to put it, it was just a matter of putting this on where it goes and then just moving it around until it hooked where I wanted it. Then I had my screw gun and I just screwed it right in. While I was mounting it, I wanted to make sure that with the sub fence on, that it would still work. Even with it clamped on, I can reach over and have good line of sight. I highly recommend these Hedgehog push sticks. Not a paid sponsor, so if you use my affiliate link, we get a little bit. But again, Hedgehog isn't paying me. They don't know I make these videos. This is my own opinion. I got 2 of these. If they get worn out or cut up, I'm buying more. I can't build anything in a shop better than this. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, then be sure to take just a millisecond and hit that thumbs up button. Mahalo.